Hey guys, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna do a POV oil change on this zx10 right here, 2023. So first thing first, what you want to do is like warm the bike up. So turn it on, let it get warmed up. You can see you have service on right here, and also I will be resetting that too. You can see so you can see that the bike is warmed up, and the reason why I warmed the bike up is because I want to get the oil flowing, because the oil flow better when it's hot. You can see the oil through there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see. And I take 4 quarts of oil guys, so that's what we're gonna put in the bike, 4 quarts of oil. And this bike is sexy. A lot of people are always asking me, do you still ride, do you still have the bike? Yes, I still have the bike's still here. So guys, I'm gonna put the bike on the stand, which you really doesn't need to put the bike on the stand. I'm just being extra, because you can get a low enough pan, slide it under there, and the whole process is the same. So the bike takes 4 quarts of oil. Just make sure your pan can take 4 quarts. This say it will take 6, so just put that on there, that should be good. And we're gonna go ahead and put the bike on the stand now. And actually this probably be my first time changing the oil with the bike on the stand. I normally just slide the stuff underneath it, but now I have this, so I just do this. I don't know why I'm struggling today. Now we got it. Yeah guys, I don't know why I was struggling today, but no, I got it. So let's put this right here. If you look underneath the bike, let me go on the other side so you can see it, because the exhaust run on this side, so you won't be seeing much. So if you come here, you're gonna have the filter right here. Also your drain plug with your crush washer gonna be in the back. That's how easy Kawasaki made this oil change out to be. So we're gonna go ahead, slide this as much as possible, with a little bit under here, just in case oil drop down here. You're good. So we're gonna take this off, let it drop right there. Oh, need to get some gloves. Also guys, we have the oils right here. I bought this from Amazon, by the way guys, so link will be in the description. This kit right here, this oil change kit, link will be in the description, and you can see the filter. Make sure your filter number is the same as the filter number on the bike itself. So we're gonna go ahead and, well, let's do it. And also we have a crush washer, so that's pretty good. We're gonna need this right here, along with a wrench, 17mm. There you go. I never like over tighten my drain plug. I just always snug them up. You can lift this up close to here, and then you can see I let it drain. Move this. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this drain up. And then once it drop all the way down where I can get to loosen the oil filter, I will just loosen the oil filter. But for now, I'm just gonna let it drain. But you don't gotta wait. I'll just skip to it. Alright, so we can see our oil draining there a little bit. You're gonna take your time, slide this to the front, and now we're gonna go ahead and take our oil filter loose. And remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. And you can see the oil wasn't even that dirty, because I hardly ride this bike. Alright, so it's draining. So we're just gonna let that drain, and once it's done drain, we're just gonna go ahead and put in the drain plug. Inspect our drain plug, make sure that it's good. Everything look good. Can inspect the hole. That look good. Also, when that finished drain, we just want to clean the surface where the oil filter gonna go, as well as where the crush washer gonna go. I'm gonna install a new crush washer right here. So we're gonna get the new crush washer and install it. You can see this crush a little bit, but that's fine. Alright guys, so we have our new crush washer right here. I'm just gonna install it. Fit like a glove, so that's good. This one was a little bit bigger, but it still fit. That's not a problem. Alright, once the oil finished draining, then we're gonna go ahead and put this in. And the torque spec for the drain plug is 22 foot-pound. Like, they vary, so they go different specs. But this doesn't matter if it doesn't have a torque wrench. I'm not gonna use a torque wrench. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna stung it up. No need to over tighten it. So you truly don't need a torque spec. Just don't go full retarded strength on it, you know. Guys, so we have everything. It's all stopped draining. We're gonna use this just to like wipe this right here, just to make sure it's clean. We have our crush washer right there. Gonna go ahead and screw this in. Once it touches the surface, you just wanna just a little bit of turn, just like that. And that's it. All snug up. Now it's time to get our oil filter and clean. Do the same thing for the front. I'm gonna clean the surface right here. Alright, the surface look all clean, so next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and screw on the filter. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. And you can see this have some grease on it, so no need to lube the filter. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So once the rubber meet contact, you want to go ahead and do 3/4 of a turn to get it fit right. Alright, so there you go. You touch it, so we're gonna try to get a 3/4 return. We can try go ahead and remove this right here. Be very slow with it so you don't make a mess. I'm gonna tighten this some more. So try to get 3/4 return to a full turn, and you go from there. Alright, so which is also nice, this kit come with a funnel. Oh damn, I don't know why I tightened this so much. Alright guys, so I don't know why that is so tight, but anyway, get a pliers, get this so we don't scratch it. And it turned very, I guess it's my finger was weak. I don't know. There you go. Also make sure you get a clean piece of rag and just wipe around the edges. So with this filter, this funnel is paper, so you want to make sure you open all your oil because you gotta like do it quick. All right, so let's open the oil first. It's gonna take all 4 quarts, so you don't gotta worry about that. I think you have like 5 minutes to use this before the oil soak through the paper and mess it up. So let's go ahead and run it in. Now we have all 4 quarts in it. Just gonna drain it as much as I can. Drain the other one that I hurry and put in. Alright guys, that is it. As you can see, it hold up fine. I'm gonna go ahead and just put back our drain plug, check our rubber around it. You can clean it if you want, and just tighten it up. Just snug it up guys. That's it. Alright, it's snugged up. That's it. And we're gonna start the bike and let the oil pressure build up. Go ahead. Alright, so what we can do is just let it sit for a little bit. You can look through here and see the oil through right here, to the peephole right there. But also you got to check it with the wheel on the ground and make sure it's like the bike is straight up. But I know it takes 4 quarts. It's not my first oil change, so I know it's good. The reason why I start the bike is to build the oil pressure back up, so that's good. And also the next thing is to check for leak. Make sure your filter is not leaking. Make sure your drain plug is not leaking. and that is it. The next thing we're gonna do now is reset our oil, reset our service. So let's go ahead and come right here. So we're gonna hit select and hold it. I'm gonna bring the menu up, then we're gonna use this right here to go down to service. Then we're gonna hit select right here. Once we hit select, I'm gonna come down. You're gonna see right setting on. Once we hit that, we're gonna hit reset to go back service. Turn this off. Turn on rider setting off, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna go back to service, and then we're gonna turn oil change on, and that's gonna turn off the service light. See, service is gone, and that's how you do that. Also, it's also good, guys, to ride with your engine brake off, guys. I'm telling you, the bike gonna feel so much better right here. Engine brake off, light, and that's it. That's launch control, rider mode, all that. Shift lamp, engine speed. So now you see that off. It's good to ride with that. The bike feels a lot more smoother. Alright, so that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.